this site belongs to you, yeah, as much as it belongs to me, as much as it belongs to the rest of the other members.
This morning for me very good.
Oh, fantastic.
Because in God, you help me, for me, give me garden.
Of course. Each member of the project have their own raised bed that is labeled with their name. So the first one is Amadou Diara, he is from Mali. And then the next one is Marguerite Indulu, who is from Democratic Republic of Congo. And the third one is Ramute, who is from Lithuania, Eastern European.
Yes, and salad.
Okay,
This is in salad.
Right, okay. When we had our big harvest, then we took everything back to our kitchen at the center, at the John Paul Center. And then we cooked all together as a group, and we enjoyed the food. But we also invited some friends and families.
Yes, I today is come back maybe 6 o'clock.
Yes.
I think soon come back.
All right, okay, yeah. Good. People are from a very diverse background. So it's not only the products that they're going to get out of growing vegetables and fruit, but it's also the social side of it, where people who doesn't have much in common, per se, in terms of language, in terms of culture, in terms of walks of life, they would come here and use the space to grow their own vegetables, true, but also to connect to people.
French beans, cabbage, peas, open.
Yes, Iran very good food.
Yes.
Vegetable.
You take and plant in garden.
Garden?
Yes, in garden. Anything else? Sorry. Cabbage?
Okay, cabbage.
Yeah, cabbage. Do you know cabbage? Right.
No for pepper. No pepper. No problem for me.
No problem.
No pepper.
No.
Share.
You share.
Share.
The whole idea of the project is to engage with marginalized communities in a meaningful, practical activity that could help them to grow food.
This day, Wednesday, very same sunshine.
Yes.
Very good.
It's good as gold.
It is simply the right thing to do, and I think that it is the right thing to do for everyone. It is about engaging with people on an equal basis, provide them the voice, provide them the opportunities, and work with them, not for them, but work with them, alongside them, and they bring in a lot of expertise and skills. What I like most about doing this is that people can be not only socially active, but economically active. And I think that's the most important thing for me, because for someone, when they are earning money, responsible for their own bill, responsible for their own finances, that gives them a big boost in life, helping them to set their own business and engage and become economically active is the most wonderful thing that I would like to see.